We have breaking news coming in that the U.S. has indicated Indians can now benefit from Venezuelan oil. The White House is preparing to allow Indians to purchase Venezuelan oil under a new U.S.-controlled framework. According to a senior administration official, the move would mark a potential reopening of Venezuelan crude exports to one of its largest pre-sanctions buyers as Washington looks to reintroduce Venezuelan oil into global markets. The proposal reflects shifting U.S. priorities, balancing sanctions enforcement with energy security, price stabilization and geopolitical considerations, particularly as India's energy demand continues to grow, viewers. So, Siddhant, back to you. What conditions would India have to meet under the US-controlled oil framework?
Well, it's too early to say or perhaps talk about the condition. This is what a news agency is reporting when this news agency correspondent asked the White House administration, a senior official at the White House, about the potential selling of Venezuelan oil to India. So the White House officials said that they are positive about it. So it's a very encouraging statement coming from the White House official, especially given at a time when there is already a lot of things being talked about India-U.S. relationship with regards to the trade deal not getting signed, etc., etc. But till 2018, India has been buying Venezuelan crude. In fact, many Indian companies have already made their investments in Venezuela, more than $2 billion, if I'm not mistaken. And many Indian oil refineries are equipped to refine thick oil, which perhaps shows that Venezuelan oil could be replacing the Russian oil in days to come, because Russian oil is also a thick oil, and same is the quality of the Venezuelan oil. So it's a very encouraging and a welcoming statement coming from a senior White House official. And also, India has been making its policy very clear that the policy to source energy is based on the price and the continuity of supply. Perhaps these two things drive India's policy of sourcing energy. So if White House official is saying that they are positive about it, and India already has investments in Venezuela till 2018, India was in fact buying a lot of oil from Venezuela before the U.S. sanctions came into effect. So definitely it will open a market for India as well, and Indian companies will definitely be exploring options, and we'll speak to the authorities there, or whatever the framework the U.S. will decide. But if this happens, definitely it's also opening one new area for the Indian refiners to source oil.
Right. So then how does this square with existing sanctions on Venezuela's energy sector, though? I think Caroline Levitt had mentioned a little bit on this during her recent press briefing. Could you please tell us a little bit about that?
Venezuelan oil, America has been claiming that they control the oil. They are running the country. Now, the interim president has to say that it's the Venezuelan people who are running the country. It's the interim government which is running the country. So as I said, that it is a long journey, and all we know right now is through President Trump's claim, and definitely U.S. is giving all efforts to build pressure on the interim authorities by seizing the vessels off the coast of Venezuela and Atlantic, doing raids. A lot of comments are also coming from White House officials about their oil plans, etc. in Venezuela. So let's see how things take shape. But right now, if you ask United States, they are saying that they are the boss. They will control the Venezuelan oil for the betterment of the people of Venezuela.